Hey everyone, I'm here to walk you through the foolproof steps to making the perfect chocolate fondant. Trust me, once you nail this, you'll impress not just your guests, but yourself too. So let's dive in. First things first, ingredients. You'll need 100 grams of dark chocolate, 100 grams of butter, plus a little extra for greasing, 100 grams of sugar, 2 large eggs, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Simple, right? Start by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. It's crucial to get the temperature right to ensure your fondants cook evenly. Now let's get to the fun part, melting chocolate and butter. Put them together in a heat-proof bowl and melt them over a pan of simmering water. Remember, no water should touch the chocolate or it'll seize. Stir gently until smooth and glossy. In another bowl, whisk your eggs and sugar until the mix is pale and fluffy. This step adds air to your fondant, giving it that dreamy, light texture once baked. Next, fold the melted chocolate and butter into your egg mixture. Then sift in the flour and fold it through gently. You want to keep as much air in the mix as possible. Grease your ramekins with butter and dust them with some cocoa powder. This not only prevents sticking, but also adds an extra chocolatey kick. Pour your batter into the ramekins, filling them about 3/4 full. Here's a chef's tip. Place a small chunk of chocolate in the center of each ramekin before baking. It'll create a deliciously gooey center. Bake in the preheated oven for 12 minutes. Yes, timing is key. Overcook them and you lose that molten center, undercook and they might be too gooey. Once done, let them sit for about a minute, then carefully turn them out onto plates. Serve immediately with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dusting of powdered sugar. And there you have it, folks. Perfect chocolate fondant that's sure to wow. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a couple of tries to get it just right. Enjoy your cooking, and more importantly, enjoy your dessert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty treats and tips.